everyone and welcome back to another video. This video is just going to be a photography video. Me and my dad are deciding to go for a walk. Well, when I say walk, we're going to go in the camper van and we're going to drive somewhere and then we're going to walk. So hopefully I'll get a couple good photos. I've not really taken many photos. So this is the first time I'm actually going to be going out and shooting this year. As soon as I got home from university, I barely even touched my camera, so I've literally not taken any photos for like a month now. I've got so much to post on my photography Instagram account, but it's just getting around to posting it, so I'm just, you know, logging up my my portfolio, I guess. I thought I'd show you guys my new lens as well while we're at it. The reason why I got a new lens is because I went and I was filming for one of my modules last term and my tripod blew over in the wind. The wind was so strong and it just took my tripod, took my camera, it broke my tripod. I didn't realise it had broken my lens until I went to go use it and I was like... So some of the stuff had like fallen out as well, so yeah. So I got myself a new lens. It was just a second-hand one. It was literally 35 quid off of CEX. It's just a 28 to 90mm. And then obviously I have my 75 to 300mm and my Canon 6D. I must say, because it's a silver lens, it looks really, really strange on my camera, but it's a lens and it works and it didn't cost me that much at the end of the day. So could have been worse. I could have broken this lens, which would have been a lot more money. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I'm just going to take you along on a little montage and then when I get back we'll go through the photos. Oh, also before I forget, I'm also taking my Mavic Mini with me, so hopefully we'll get some cool drone shots as well.